Hi guys, I'm in White Sand right now and I'm going to meet my friends soon. So while I'm here, I want to buy something for myself. I got myself a Apple Watch strap. That's all. I cannot find anything else. So right now I'm going off to meet my friend at Marina South Pier. Yeah.
Hi, we're at the back.
Yeah.
Peanut the person.
Hi guys, we're at Marina Barrage.
Wait. Do again.
Hi guys, yeah, Marina Barrage already, and look at how many food we have, and we got ourselves a spot.
Guys, there's still more to come.
Yeah.
More friends to come also.
Yeah, then we still got. We're waiting for the rest to come here. Woo!
It's really thick.
Can you put for me?
Izzah ambil kan?
Can you put for me?
Sorry, my hand like.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And it is really hot. What time now?
Sekarang ialah pukul 5 and I want to go home already.
Already? It's so hot. I want it to be night time already. Cannot wait. I'm just thirsty now. I'm not hungry anymore because of that sandwich.
What? That's how I do.
People down here.
Okay.
Whoa.
It's so cute lah. Okay guys, later we dance, okay? Then now we dance.
Okay, let's go. Hi guys. There's like literally a lot of people here. Like I think the whole Singapore is here. It's here. Look at our own next place. You know, our place is damn big. We are Singaporean.
Please give a round of applause to the Island Voices Prime Minister, Mr. Lee Hsien Loong.
Oh, he died already?
Tu dekat you lah. Whoa, Farah, what the hell? You glowing? Dengan semangat yang
Students from the Republic of Singapore Air Force, led by Commanding Officer.
So like there's like flies everywhere and look at what happened.
My friends are weird. It's okay. My friends are weird.
So like there's a lot of flies over here and then look at everyone. Like literally everyone was like standing up because there's a lot of flies everywhere. Something happened, a lot of things happened, and look at this girl. Sleeping, yeah, this girl. Oh, my hair is so messy.
I'm sorry, I didn't got your hair.
Yeah, you know, you pull my hair.
I didn't
And then, right? And then I say ow. Then Elaine goes to smack my head because she thought there's something on my hair.
Have you ever felt forgotten in the middle of nowhere? Have you ever felt like you could disappear, like you could fall and no one would hear? But let that lonely feeling wash away. Maybe there's a reason to believe you'll be okay. 'Cause when you don't feel strong enough to stand, you can reach out your hand. And someone will come running, and I know they'll take you home. Even when the dark comes crashing through, when you need a friend to carry you, and when you're broken on the ground, you will be fine. So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you'll reach up and you rise again. Lift your head and look around. You will be fine. You will be fine. There's a place where we don't have to feel unknown. And every time that you call out, you're
Celebration what?
So guys, we are like done with the anniversary celebration. I would rate it a 9.5 out of 10. The 0.5 is because the crowd is fucking dead. So lame. But anyways, happiest 57th birthday Singapore. Although I hate, no, I don't hate lah. I don't hate. I dislike a bit only, but like, yeah, it was a good celebration.
And now we are going to the Gardens by the Bay.
Oh, you're going to the Bay?
Yeah, we're going there because the MRT is over there. Aku serak sia. Okay, you seriously. Since I shot so many times, right? Like legit sia. My voice like the super cheap. Risky. Oh, nama lah Risky is right over there. What? God damn. Don't bully me ah. Ow. Yeah, I always put everything inside my block. Bro, my voice is like losing, literally losing. This is MRT station and there's like a lot of people. God damn. I think can we just lepak somewhere please? Did someone say hotel? How about we skip tomorrow shooting? How about let's no shoot for tomorrow. Let's go. Never in my life like have this stuff people coming to the MRT like there's like full less people. God damn, my face red yeah, cause sweaty bro. I think we should wait for a while, you know. Yeah, I'm not gonna wait. I'm not gonna stand like in the crowded. Nah hell. So, what's the update?
Push you down.
Stop it.
Do you know where we are sitting at?
Oh, yeah. So I think we are going to eat now, like proper food.
I got the other.
Yes. Right now, we are at McDonald's and we order the same thing, but we are not going to eat inside because there's a lot of people inside there. Don't go. So they fighting now. I cannot fight. Yeah. Ooh. So yeah, we are going to eat McDonald's, but we're not going to eat here. So we're gonna find somewhere else to sit. Yes. So I ordered my thanks to Isa for blundeering me. I ordered the double cheeseburger, my typical cheeseburger, my Milo, and french fries. And this guy ordered without onion, ketchup, and mustard. Yeah, take lah.
I take all, thanks.
So I guess we are going home right now. We gosh,
Basta ngồi na mình đâu.
sorry. We are going home right now, and I think I'm gonna play Minecraft with them. So, what you guys rate for today?
Honestly, 100 out of 10. It's damn fun eh.
I just say out of
Are
9.
you sure? The heat,
I just say out of 9 to be honest.
the heat is damn hot. Today is damn hot.
Like me.
Cakap bye bye. Cakap bye bye.
Lahanat.
Cakap bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Rizky, cakap bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye guys. Bye bye. See you later. Erica. Hi guys. I think it's already like 12:07, and I think bus 68 there's no more already. So I might be missed the bus already. Oh shit. So the bus is 68 but it's not moving. So maybe I'm the last person. I never get to go inside. Okay, wait. Okay, let me go text my brother about this so that they can like book me a Grab. Hold on. Hi guys, I'm home now. I've been home since just now. Oh yeah, today is really fun, and I hope we're gonna do this more often. I already showered, I already put my face, I already washed my face, I already cleaned everything, and I feel fresh. Okay, so I want to say thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do enjoy, please subscribe to my video. Subscribe to my channel and like my video. Bye.